Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Assemble AI in Revolut. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your screen and press on crypto there. After that you can just scroll down here and press on see all. Now you can just look for the coin type here. Press on it and here you can see the price fluctuation for the last period of time, and if you are interested you can just press on buy down below, select your account here and enter the amount that you're willing to spend, press on review order, and here you can see the transaction details, and if you want to finalize this transaction you can just press on confirm order down below and it's going to be done. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.